Welcome to another travel vlog. Okay, I just got to the hotel and I'm gonna quickly show you guys my room. It is a family room and I am the only one in it, but it was the only one available. Right, this is where you come in. We've got a mirror, some coat hangers, and then another mirror, and a hairdryer, which is cool. Some space to put clothes, extra pillows, a little tea station, which is just cool, and there's a bin. And then we've got a little desk area, and then we have a sofa bed, a double bed, and underneath that there's also a pull-out bed, or maybe you can pull that apart. I'm not sure how it works, but this is that. And then over here is the bathroom, and oh my god, there's a bath, a real bath. Guys, there's a bath. Not that I'm gonna use it, but yeah, that's it. Right, so what is happening, you might ask? I said I wasn't gonna go anywhere else this year, and then this came up. So my mum's partner lives near Cambridge. My mum has been like going down to see him every few weekends, and my sisters have been going along, and I haven't been along yet because he lives in like a small flat and there wouldn't have been space for me to stay anywhere. And then one day my mum is just like, what if she books a hotel room for me and then I can come along too? And I was just like, well, free ride down from Liverpool to Cambridge, and then also like a free place to stay and potentially free food as well, and getting to spend time with my family. Hell yeah, I'm in. So that's how I am here. It is currently Friday, or maybe it's Saturday. It might be past midnight, but we're calling it Friday. And basically what happened was the kids finished school, we got in the car, made our way down. It was like 3.5 hours journey. I can't remember. It was long, but it was fine. And now my mum dropped me off at the hotel, and that's how I'm here. Yeah, I'm sorry, that was a very long-winded story, but I'm in Cambridge. So yeah, it's crazy. I've never been here before, so another new place to explore. Yeah, oh my god, I just can't believe I'm here. As we were coming into Cambridge, we went past Fitzwilliam College, which I actually applied to back in the day. So like I had like a chance to come here to uni, and that's like where I applied. I did get rejected in the end, so it's not like I didn't choose to come here. I got rejected, which is fine, but I am happy like where I am in Liverpool. But yeah, it's just crazy to think like now I'm kind of exploring what life would have been like over here, because before I applied to Cambridge University, I've never been, and like this is literally my first time here. So yeah, anyway, craziness over. I'll pick you guys up tomorrow when we're out and about and exploring, and honestly I don't know what I'm gonna see. I know there's a Christmas market and I know there's a Waterstones, and can't remember what else, but fingers crossed the weather will be good. And yeah, good morning everyone. It's just about turning 9 o'clock in about 20 minutes. Okay, that was not right. It's just about turning 20 to 9, and I'm heading down for breakfast. Also, this bed, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 sleep. I did not want to get up, wake up, whatever, but someone scared me. Like, the people above me, I don't know what they were doing, but it sounded like they were like jumping, or I don't know. At first, I thought it was someone knocking on the door because it was like doof, doof, doof. And I was like, oh my god. But then I was like, no, wait, I have the do not disturb sign out, so surely not. And then when I like actually woke up a bit more, then I heard like the people upstairs were interestingly loud. You guys, I just don't know how these crazy coincidences work, but I came to Cambridge, I came to a premiere in. The lady who was like letting me into breakfast, she's Hungarian. And she said a few of our servers here are Hungarian. Yeah, she was looking at my name, and it's Adrienne Iboya, which is like a Hungarian name, and it's also my mum's name. But anyway, my mum wrote like my middle name in as well, and she was like, "Oh, Iboya." And she pronounced it so perfectly. I was literally about to say like, "Oh, well done. No one ever gets it that perfect." And then she was like, "Are you Hungarian?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then she started talking to me in Hungarian. So that was fun. I've just sat down there in shock all through our breakfast because I'm like, what are the chances? What are the chances? It's like when we went to Spain and like a Hungarian lady started talking to us, or like in like Dusseldorf or in like Lyon when I walk past someone and I hear Hungarian. It's yeah, crazy coincidences. Anyway, I need to get going. I need to figure out where I'm going. Oh, by the way, this is my view, if anyone wanted to know. It's a non-openable window, and yeah, I've got a travel lodge next to me, and that's it. I'm on the first floor. Yeah, I'm on the first floor, and it's great. Food of the day. Okay, well, I'm out, and the first stop is this river Cam. I don't know if that's short for Cambridge or it's literally called Cam, but yeah, that's where we're going. It's at the end of this street, and yeah, we're out, guys. It's freezing, but it's not raining. It's a bit sunny slash cloudy, so I'm here for it. My nose is already red. I've literally been out for only a couple of minutes, so that's crazy. But yeah, here's the first stop. Okay, well, that was nice and quick. I nearly got hit by a bunch of bikes and some people running, and yeah, so many people on bikes here, but also so many cars and runners and people. Oh my god, these little streets with just these beautiful buildings is just beautiful, especially when the sun is shining. If only I'd known if I was going the right way. That was fun, because I found the subby, but there were so many exits and Google Maps or Apple Maps or whatever was not very helpful. Also, there was a traffic officer in front of me for like a good, I don't know, most of that journey, as I was walking straight, and I was kind of like following him, but I wasn't following him, like I was just needing to go in that direction, and then he went through a different subway, so I was like, okay, well, I'm not going through that subway, I'm going through the other one. But I made it out the right way, so yay. And I lost him, so woohoo. Whew. Okay, I made it back to the hotel because it's nice to have a hotel to come back to during the day and warm up and go to the toilet and everything. And oh my god, this corner is just comfy and cute. But ouch, my hands, both of them. Like, this is not that red, but this one was worse. I saw the river. I saw the train station. I saw some of the Cambridge colleges. I saw a bunch of like churches and cathedrals or whatever they were. I went into the merchandise shop, the official Cambridge University merchandise shop or something like that. Oh my god, and there was a Liverpool bookmark. I'll put it up here. There was a Liverpool bookmark in the official Cambridge University merchandise shop. And I even said to the guy at the cash register, I was like, that was just funny because I came from Liverpool, and he was like, oh yeah, a lot of people noticed that. And I went to Waterstones. I got some books. Do you guys want a book haul? I'm gonna give you a book haul. No one asked for it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh wait, let me show you what I got from the merchandise shop first. So I got 3 magnets. So I got a University of Cambridge one for myself because why not? This Cambridge one, which also says University of Cambridge, but Cambridge is like the main word. I think that's gonna be, I don't know whose it's gonna be yet. Either my friends or my mum's. And then I've got a bike that says Cambridge. Again, I don't know what way around these are gonna go, but one of them is for my friend, one of them is for my mom. But I don't know, I like all of them. And oh my god, there was this huge one, like very big one, and that was a Cambridge one as well, and I nearly got that, and then I was like, where is this gonna fit? It's not gonna fit anywhere. And then I wandered into Waterstones. Okay, so I have bought 3 books, however I only paid for the price of 1 because I had 2 gift cards and I had to use those gift cards like in store rather than online because the online just didn't work. But yeah, so technically I bought 3 books for the price of 1 because yeah, we're not gift cards is like free money. So the first book I got is Bad Blood by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. This is the last book in the Natural series, and I've already read it, so it's not a book for my TBR, it's just a book to go on my shelf. And now I finally have all the books in the Natural series. I mean, there is a novella at the end, I'm pretty sure, but as far as I know, there's only like a Kindle version of it, so yeah. And then I got this book, My Dark Vanessa by Kate Elizabeth Russell, and this is a book I listened to as an audiobook a while back, and honestly, it was a very controversial book, but I can't stop thinking about it, and it was also very dark, but I can't stop thinking about it, so I bought a copy of it, and again, it's just to go on my shelf because I've already read it, but oh my god, that writing is tiny. So happy I didn't like buy the book first, because then I would have like been put off by how tiny the writing is and would have never like read it. But yeah, it's this teacher-student romance, but not romance, it's more like grooming and how it like affected the girl years and years later and the teacher. So yeah, it's a very dark read, but I recommend because it just, yeah, I don't know, I liked it, but like it was very dark. And then this final book, Surrounded by Idiots. Okay, this is an interesting one because I was just listening to the audiobook of this and I actually DNF'd it like a couple days ago. I was just like, I don't like this. I'm not learning anything from it. Like, basically the premise of this book is that the author splits people into these 4 colours: red, yellow, green, blue, and each of the colours has like different traits. It's just another way of categorising people, but the way he's categorising them, for me, the colours just blend together. Like, I get it. Okay, with some of the colours, like red is like the leader type and like blah blah blah, and like the green is the whatever. Okay, with some of them, he says, as he was like reading the book for me, because I was listening to it, as he was saying like, oh, red is this, I was like, oh, okay, fine. And then he kept on explaining like all the different other traits of red, and then I was like, wait, but you said that for blue as well, you said that for green. So it's very overlapping, and I'm trying not to be like negative about it, because like a lot of people love this book and I tried to read it because I was recommended it. Yeah, I don't know, I just don't vibe with it. I think it's just another way to categorize people, but the way his categories just blend together too much that you can't like differentiate between them. I don't know. Oh, there's like a whole thing at the back where it says like what all the colours are, but as he was explaining it, I just wasn't vibing with it. But I bought the book, and I actually bought it for my mum's partner, because when I was at his place yesterday, I was looking at his books and he didn't have any English books, he only had Hungarian books. So I was saying to my mum like, oh, that's what I'm getting him for Christmas, an English book. And he likes self-help or self-development, and I guess this is one of those. And I was just like, I was looking at all the self-help books in Waterstones, and yeah, I don't know, none of them really like stood out, but I feel like this one he might actually read, and it's colourful, and Surrounded by Idiots I feel like is a good title. And I feel like he'd like laugh about it even if he didn't get around to reading it. And as I've said, a lot of people do like it and recommend it. It is like one of the best-selling books or whatever, so hopefully he'll like it. Right, I'm back in my little corner. So yeah, what I was saying is that I basically went everywhere I wanted to, like all the pinned places on the map I went to. There was the Cambridge Botanical Gardens that I didn't go in, but I walked past, so I kind of knew where it is. I think you need tickets to go in there. I'm not exactly sure, but I think when we were looking at it, we needed tickets. And also there's Parker's Parker's Place. There's this park called Parker's something, and there's like the Christmas markets, and I also saw that from the distance and like walked past the park. But again, that's something to do with my family. So I think I'm just gonna chill a bit because I'm not gonna lie, this morning I really just wanted to stay here and rest. Like I wanted to explore Cambridge and everything, but I don't know. I'm tired, guys. I can't wait for. I've got 1 week left of like work, uni, and everything, and then it's the Christmas half term, and I honestly can't wait. So this is a bit of an early holiday, and yeah, I just want to rest. So I'm gonna chill. I think I'm gonna just chill here and maybe read, maybe put something on to watch, and wait for the fam to get to the city. Wow, okay. As literally as I turned off the camera, it stopped. So, okay, we're not going out. Sorry guys, false alarm. So, of course, when I'm here, of course, wherever I go, there has to be a fire alarm that just goes off. So it went off. So I was like, okay, fine, it's fine. I grabbed my phone, grabbed my coat, put my shoes on, grabbed the key card, and then, oh my god, my ears. And then I just casually walked down the stairs. As I've said, I'm only on the first floor. I walk down, there's two hotel people waiting at the entrance, and they're like, one of them was the Hungarian lady, but the other one came up to me and he's like, I'm so sorry, we have to do these 6 months alarm tests and today seems to be the day, but thank you for coming down. Are you serious? Every 6 months and the day I'm here? I'm done. I'm done with life. So yeah, I was just like, oh, okay, no worries. I'm fine with that. So I came back upstairs, but I was like, oh god, I should have asked like how long does it go on for? Cause like, yeah. And then it kept going on, and that's when you saw me, and I was freaking out. So I put my hat on. My watch said it was like a loud noise alert or whatever, like it can be damaging to your ears. And I was like, okay, no, I can't stay here if it keeps going. So I put my hat on, and then I put my coat on, and then I put my shoes on, and literally as I turned you guys off, it stopped. So at least that's over, and at least there's no fire, but god, I hate fire alarms. I'm about to go and meet the family, but can we just appreciate the sunshine? I love it. Love it. Perfect weather. And oh my god, great weather to film in. Last night in Cambridge, I am all cozied up in bed, got YouTube on my laptop, catching up on some Bookmas videos, and yeah, I love this bed so much. It's freaking amazing. And I was just looking back at the pictures from today, and I put all the clips on my laptop from what I filmed this morning, and oh my god, that was today. Like, today was such a long day. Like, the stuff I filmed in like the merch shop or like at the train station, it feels like it was days and days ago. But that was literally just this morning. Cambridge was great, very busy. I know it's like a Saturday, but yeah, so busy. Yeah, I don't see myself living here anytime soon. It's a nice place to visit. I recommend. It's cute. There's a bunch of stuff to do. Maybe see you guys tomorrow. But if we don't do anything, then maybe this is the end of the vlog. Because it might just be that my mom picks me up and we're going home. Anyways, good night.